Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas crystal centerpiece decoration ideas. So I hope you really like my videos. So let's start today video, friends. So friends, crystal Christmas centerpiece. There are some things timeless and magical about crystal decoration, especially during Christmas. The way crystal reflect light, the way it spark even the quietest corner. It's bring a touch of elegance that transform any table into a festive masterpiece. Today I am creating a crystal centerpiece, Christmas centerpiece that feels luxury, claim and beautiful, winter inspired. I began with the crystal base, clear, smooth and shining like fresh ice on a winter morning. As the lights its tiny reflection dance across the table, setting the perfect mood for the rest of the arrangement. Then I add the elements that bring life to this centerpiece: soft evergreen, silvers and delicate ornament that blend beautiful with the crystal glow. A few forest Pinecone and white berries created that snow effects like nature dresses up in winter magic. Now it's time for candles. Crystal and candlelight together are pure element that will bring flame thought the glass, creating a warm golden shimmer that spreads gentle across the room. It's elegant, claiming and deeply festive. And friends, viewers, and the crystal centerpiece, loud or overwhelming, it's quite luxury, a gentle reminder that Christmas beauty can be soft, sophisticated and full of light. A centerpiece that doesn't just decorate the table but fill the wall space with a peaceful holiday glow. Viewers, so I hope you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So Allah Hafiz, thanks for